She's recording again. That's mine. Remember this one?
So bad. Crazy.
Yeah. That was not my favorite.
No.
No. That's fine. That's my cool one. So cool.
This is the one that plays when Brittany calls me.
It's really annoying too. I'm like, oh my god, keep that up, please.
I got this one the other day.
You're so sexual.
Shut up. Oh, yeah, because yours aren't.
Mine aren't. Prove it.
This is Voice Avenue cover.
I got that.
How do you know?
Because I have it on my iPod.
Do you?
Yes.
Oh, it's this one.
Sounds like Voice Avenue doing that cover too. Wow. Thank you very much.
Not like that one.
My favorite. It's on for 20 seconds. At the end.
Another day, let the music play. Down at the rock.
It's gay. What? Oh. Okay. I already knew that, but... Chicken Fest?
Chicken feet.
Oh. It's gay too.
It is free.
Gay. I have that one on mine too, but mine's much louder than yours. And you're not. If you were, you'd be top heavy. My hair.
You should call it like that. Schnickum, schnickum.
Huh?
She's trying to think of like sappy names to
Oh,
call.
that's what I call people, schnickums.
Because he doesn't let me call him Looney when he's mean.
For no good reason. I remember him calling one day, and I was like, what is going on with your phone?
Oh god.
And this one too. That was terrible. Not the song.
You're funny. She knows.
Don't lie to her.
What was I lying about?
I don't know. So,
I didn't even say anything.
yes, you did. I just watched you. It's on there.
I didn't say anything. You will not.
It's louder on my phone.
Yeah, 'cause I turned mine down.
Turn mine up
Why? What is the point?
so I can hear it.
So, my phone's actually a music phone. I wanted to put music on it.
I can too.
Mine's bad.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. It's made to put music on it.
Mine goes for a long time. Huh. That's what she
You're
said.
gross.
Yeah, it's funny. A little bit. This is really loud.
Yeah.
I can't even hear it when it rings.
Yeah, it's weird.
Because it starts off really low and then it increases.
It's because it hates you.
That's what happens when I call.
When you call?
When people call. When I'm called.
When I call myself, that's what happens. You get paper gangsters.
I said I don't want none.
That doesn't matter. You still get them.
Don't want nothing.
Can't always get what you want. Or you always get what you don't want.
No. I get what I want.
You don't.
I wanted to play and I got him.
You also wanted Adam.
I got him too if I wanted
Not
him.
yet. You wanted Starbucks boy.
True.
You didn't get him.
That's one occasion.
I'm sure there was others.
I got Chris.
But you didn't get Matt.
No, I never tried with that.
Yeah, but you wanted to.
No.
Wait, which Chris?
The one we met at.
Oh, yeah. Have you talked to him at all again?
After that day, he like text messaged me saying like we should do something soon. But I was like, yeah, of course. I haven't done anything yet. Kind of awkward seeing as I have somebody.
Yeah.
I'd take Starbucks boy out though, or he could take me out. I'd be okay with that. I'd be down.
Yeah, you would.
I'd be like, hey, you want to go to Starbucks?
Yeah, because he really wanted to spend his day out. Actually, he did spend his day out in Starbucks. He really doesn't eat.
I can get free coffee
You want to go get me free coffee?
at Starbucks. Then we can do whatever. You know, whatever.
Do they get free coffee? That's cool. I didn't get free toys when I worked at the toy store.
I didn't get free food when I worked at
But you
the
did
grocery
sometimes.
store.
You told me you did.
That's
Sometimes.
if I waited until after school hours or after work hours when they're like closing and throwing everything away.
No. You said, depending on who you went to in the morning before you went to Lake Nona.
No, they give me a discount.
I thought you said that they'd not scan stuff.
No, what they do, she'd make a tag for me, but she wouldn't put everything that's in there on the tag.
Gotcha.
So instead of paying like $8, I only paid like $3. Which was still not right, but like people at the registers also knew that I got that on a discount. But it had to be
It's the boy child.
It had to be one lady, Lisa. She was the only one that gave me free stuff. Well, I still paid for it, but not really. I got it for like 85% off.
You know, Sammy, somebody could steal your phone easier this way.
But it was so much better to actually put my hand here and move it.
I wasn't paying attention.
You were looking like in the vicinity. You were almost looking directly at it. You were looking at your
It's gonna
stupid
break.
cup.
It's gonna break.
Don't you dare break it.
Don't hit me.
It made you let go. I'm not gonna let go.
Okay.
I'm not holding on to anything with this hand. Not holding on.
Such a jerk. I don't even know why I like you. I don't like you. Changed my mind about you. Glad you're going.
Oh, well, in that case, let me tell your mother everything.
Never.